is NOAA. Weather Radio KDO 89 St. Louis, Missouri, broadcasting on 162.550 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves parts of east central Missouri and southwest Illinois, and including the St. Louis metro area and surrounding counties. This afternoon, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 90s. East wind. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 218, effective until 10 p.m. tonight. This watch includes the following counties in Missouri: St. Charles, St. Louis, and the following counties in Illinois: Calhoun, Jersey, Greene, Madison, St. Clair. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, or television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in east central Missouri, St. Charles County in east central Missouri, St. Louis County in east central Missouri, until 2:45 p.m. At 2 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Union, or 12 miles south of Washington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Louis, St. Charles, O'Fallon, Chesterfield, Wildwood, University City, Bowen, Kirkwood, Maryland Heights, Hazelwood, and Wentzville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for Central Franklin County in east central Missouri, St. Charles County in east central Missouri, Central St. Louis County in east central Missouri, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Union, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Union and Washington around 2:30 p.m. St. Charles around 2:35 p.m. St. Louis, Chesterfield, and Maryland Heights around 2:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado confirmed to touch the ground near the St. Louis Metroplex. This is a tornado emergency for the warned area. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for St. Louis County in east central Missouri, St. Charles County in east central Missouri, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Chesterfield, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the St. Louis Metroplex. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include deadly tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Creve around 2:50 p.m. Maryland Heights around 2:55 p.m. Florissant and Hazelwood around 3 p.m. St. Louis and surrounding metro areas by 3:05 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may cover this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Tornado confirmed to touch the ground near the St. Louis Metroplex. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.